Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you the how to use Lulubox app in your Android device, so let's get started. Welcome to my channel, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon for getting more updates. You don't need root access for using this app. Download this app from link given in the description. This app is also similar to Freedom and Lucky Patcher app, but you can use only on these apps. Features are vary for each games. You can use any skins in Freefire game. I upload a separate video for that. Just tap the link in I button. GFX tools resource map and gun ratings are given for PUBG. Turn on the switches and grant the permission. Share this app to your WhatsApp group and unlock the Plus plugin. You do it for each of your game. Tap Experience plugin now. All vehicles and stages are unlocked. But you can't upgrade your vehicles for free. You need to play game and earn coins. In this, you can use all the weapons for free. So my final conclusion is, this app is only good for few games, not all. So you can also try Lucky Patcher and Game Guardian app. These apps also work on non-rooted Android. Just check out my channel. So, if you want to learn some coolest Android tips and tricks, just subscribe Muz21 Tech channel and turn on the bell icon for getting my daily updates. Thanks for watching this video.